Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
How are you all?
Ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
How was your exam?
Easy.
And I find some children made mistakes.
Ma'am, I made mistake.
What was the mistake?
Ma'am,
Was
I
it difficult?
Me,
Was the
ma'am.
exam difficult?
No,
It was easy, no?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So I have seen some children got 20, some children got 19 and all. Have you understood your mistake?
Yes, ma'am.
Some children even the pattern that numbers. Very easy one. That also made mistake. Yes. Count back by how many numbers and all that. Also some children. Did you understand your mistakes?
Yes, ma'am.
Now children, listen properly. These patterns and shapes that there we have less chance of making mistakes. Now numbers, you have to be more careful because the numbers, it's not difficult, but if you do careless mistake, no, that is more possibility here. Careless mistakes. Okay, children. So as we are doing large numbers, children, the place values and the numbers are becoming bigger. You have to be more careful. Okay, and we have discussed last class what we have discussed. We have discussed the place value chart of, I will ask. Okay, Ayman. Can you say which place value charts we have discussed? Two different types, yes?
International
International and
Indian system.
Indian system. Okay, I will ask one by one. Okay, children. Abhimanyu, can you please, because I think how you are keeping the device, you are like rotating. Can you keep the device? Are you using mobile? Abhimanyu, please on your, please unmute and tell me, are you using mobile? Unmute. Are you using mobile? Yes or no? Yes, are you using mobile? Can you hear me? Are you using mobile?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you keep it somewhere? Because when we are looking at you, you are like rotating. That rotation and all we have finished. Now we are learning numbers. Okay. So keep it somewhere. Otherwise, when I give you number, no, you have to write in the rough book and all. So it will be disturbing. Okay, keep it somewhere. You have to keep in a place where you can see the board properly and answer and all properly. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay. So
Excuse
children,
me,
we
ma'am.
have discussed.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Wait, Ayman, 1 minute. International system and Indian system. Okay, Ayman, please ask.
Ma'am, I had a connectivity problem. So I left the meeting and I am coming back.
Okay, okay. We have not started. We are just revising. Okay, Alok, can you say how many how many digits are there in lakh?
Ma'am, 5.
In lakh, how many digits?
6 digits. 6 digits.
6 digits. Okay, 6 digits. Okay, 6 digits. Okay, Anthony, can you say these places means in Indian system? Can you say the place from the back like ones, tens? Can you say that in order?
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute, 1 minute. All the children, please mute. All the children, please mute and listen. After this, I will give you some questions. I hope all of you will get correct answer if you are listening. Okay. And
Can I say?
that in order.
Yes, ma'am. Ones,
Ones,
tens,
tens,
hundreds,
100,
thousands,
1,000,
10,000,
10,000,
lakh,
lakh,
10 lakh,
10 lakh,
crore,
crore,
10 crore.
10 crore. Very good. Okay. So that is Indian system of numeration. All of you, we have discussed this and I have shown you the place value chart. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. After 10,000, lakh. 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Okay, children. And if any place is missing, you have to keep or you have to put zeros over there. Okay, Anandesh, can you please say the international system in order like this? Ones, tens.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, louder. Please be louder. Okay.
Ones,
Ones,
tens,
tens,
hundreds,
100,
thousand,
1000,
10,000,
10,000,
100,000,
100,000,
1 million, 1
million. Okay,
million.
till that much is enough now. Okay, million. Okay, children. So, where you have seen the difference in Indian system and international system till ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. It's similar, not change. Lakh means here we have taking 100,000. So, and children, we have a major difference in keeping the commas. Anusri, can you please say how we will put the commas in Indian and international system? Yes, please unmute and speak. In Indian system,
In Indian system, after
please be louder.
in Indian system, first after 2 digits, sorry ma'am, after 3 digits, then all numbers after 3 digits.
First 3 digits, then
2 digits.
two digits. Okay, this you have to be very careful. In Indian system, ones, tens, 100, we will keep comma. Then after every 2 digits. Okay, after every 2 digits. What about in international system?
Every 3 digits.
After every three. No change. After every 3 digits.
3 digits.
Okay, children, I will give you one question.
Okay, ma'am.
What you have to do first, before starting writing the number name, you have to write ones, tens, 100, and you have to keep the commas. Then only you will start writing the number name.
Ma'am, I did not understand the question. What
I
you
didn't
told
write
now?
any question now.
No, ma'am, what you told now, I did not
Number name.
understand.
Write the number name.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I will explain. Okay, I will explain. First, what will I
I'm
do?
in the rough book.
In the rough book. Before starting, I will give you one number. Okay?
Okay.
What you have to do before starting the writing number, you have to first write in Indian system the place values on the top of the number. Means O, T, H like that. Then what you have to do, you have to keep the commas after 3 digits, then two digits. Then you will write the number name in Indian.
We should write in
Indian system.
rough
First
book.
you are going to do that.
Ma'am, we should write in rough book.
Rough book.
Okay, ma'am.
You have to wait, okay? Let me take the easy board. So take the number. Can you write the number? I will write it on the board by the time they'll let the easy board. 39, all of you. Can you hear me? 39.
Yes, ma'am.
3908623.
Ma'am, can you repeat the number?
I will write the number on the board.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So I'll take children. Okay. 3, 9.
Ma'am, I can't see your writing.
Wait. I will share the screen. Okay.
Yes, ma'am, now we can see.
It's okay. Now it's okay.
Ma'am, now it's okay.
Share the screen one more time.
Okay, ma'am.
So I told 3908623.
Ma'am, can you?
I will write it also on the board.
Okay, ma'am.
3908623. I told you to write in first in Indian system. So Indian system, I will help. One question means first take 3 after 3, then 2. But then what you have to do? You can write on the top ones, tens, 100. After that, TH, that is 1000. Then we have 10,000, then lakh, 10 lakh. I have helped you to write this place value, and I also help you to write the commas. Now what do you have to do? Write the number name. These, look at this, first 39 is in which period? You have to write the number name.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, who is calling me?
Agne.
Yes, Agne.
Ma'am, I had some connectivity issue.
Okay, so Agne,
could
we were
not hear.
discussing the Indian system and international system of numbers. So I have given you,
Ma'am, it is.
can you see the board now?
Yes,
Yes.
Write that number and write the number name in Indian system.
Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, over. Ma'am, over.
Over. Yes, let me see. Madhav. Madhav.
Ma'am, over.
Can you hear me, Madhav?
Ma'am, I am writing.
Writing only.
Ma'am, can I
Adinath,
test
have you
the
finished?
again?
Adinath, have you finished?
Ma'am, can I? Ma'am, can I?
Can you say
can
this number
I?
name?
Yes. 39 lakh.
Yes, all the children check 39 is in which period? Lakh period. That is lakh and 10 lakh. So it is 39 lakh. Very good. 39 lakhs. Then 8,000. See, 10,000, that place is 0. So here we have 8 in which period? That is in 1,000
spirit.
6,000.
623.
Very good. I said Adinath. Adinath is only answering me. Otherwise, I cannot hear. 8,000.
623.
623. Okay, 23. 600 and 23. 600, and we can say right and 23. So this is Indian system of numeration, and see how you have to write ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and you have to see the commas. These commas will help you to read the name number. Okay, so 39 is in lakh spirit, so that is 39 lakh, 39 lakh, 8,623. Now, tell me how many got correct answer. Raise your hand.
I got.
Okay, raise your hand.
Ma'am,
And you see, not over. Correct? And you see, it's correct. Okay.
Ma'am, now you should write in international
Now
form.
we are going to write in Madhav. What about Madhav?
Finished.
Finished. Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Now we are going to write like this. Same this number. What do you have to do? First, you have to write the place values on top of the numbers.
Okay, ma'am.
The
Then you have
numbers
to
will be
keep the
same.
commas after every 3 digits.
The numbers will be
Then
same.
you will write the number name. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, the numbers will be same.
are same.
Same number, same number. So same number. Let me check. Take another color. Okay. So what you have to do is you will write 39,08623. So how will start? Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. After what will I write?
100,000.
100,000. HTH. 100,000. After 100,000, what will I write?
Million.
Million. M, not B. Okay. Million. M. So, M. Okay. Now, before writing the number name, you have to place the commas after 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. You have to keep one comma. Again, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now you can see directly 3 is in the place of M million. Now continue the number name. That will help you. Okay. We can write the number and look at the place value. 3 in which place? Million.
Ma'am,
Wait.
You told that.
Ma'am, finish.
can I?
Wait, Angelina. I want more children. Look, I want to see whether the children has completed. Let
And
them
can I
complete.
ask one doubt?
Okay,
You
Priya.
told right. We should place the comma after every 3 digits.
We are starting from the back. You have to start from the back.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you repeat the number?
Same number, no? 3908623. Which number you are writing for Indian system? Same number we are writing for international system.
Okay, ma'am.
Alim, how you are keeping the video? Alim. Alim Sian. Yes, Alim, is there any problem with your camera? Gautam, no need to look at them. You finished? Finished? Yes. Okay, Angelina, please say the answer.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I am keeping.
1 minute, Angelina. Wait. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Who's talking?
Ma'am, I am keeping my. It's my mobile, so I'm keeping it horizontally because I have connected the
Who is
earphone.
saying that?
Nandita.
Nandita. Okay, Nandita. I was asking Alim. Okay, Nandita.
Okay, ma'am. That's why I'm keeping it like
Okay,
this.
no problem. I can see you properly. But some children, they are revolving around like a sun, that rotation, revolution and all. Yes, Alim, what were you doing there? I cannot hear. Can you say louder?
My camera was sitting upside down.
It's not audible. It's not audible.
Ma'am, his camera was sitting upside down.
Okay.
Camera was sitting upside down.
Okay, children, I told you now in math, we have to use our concentration maximum.
Ma'am, can I?
So, Angelina is going to say the answer. All the children, please check your answers. Yes, Angelina.
3,908,623.
Very good. 908,623. 623. Very good. Very good.
Thank you,
Okay,
ma'am.
all of you got correct answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Is there anybody
Yes,
got
ma'am.
wrong?
Yes,
Is there
ma'am.
anybody
I
got
correct
wrong?
answer.
No, ma'am.
No? Can we do
No.
one more question?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
This time, I'm not going to keep the places over the number and I'm not going to keep the commas. You have to do everything alone.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Ma'am,
Done?
Okay, ma'am. Done.
Done. Yes, very good.
Ma'am, which system?
Okay, ma'am. Both the system, right?
Both the system.
Okay, ma'am.
Give the number first.
So, look at
Indian,
the,
right?
I'm giving you same number of digits. 4105625. First, you have to write the places in Indian system, place value over the number. Then you have to keep the commas. Then you have to write the number name in Indian system. Indian system and international system.
I'm over.
Wait.
I'm over.
I'm over.
Okay. Nandita, can you say the number name in Indian system? Yes,
Ma'am.
Nandita?
Ma'am, I have not finished.
Not done? Not over?
Ma'am, can I tell?
No, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am, can I
Agnay.
tell?
Can I tell?
Agnay. Okay, children. Go
Indian
down.
system,
In Indian system. Yes, Indian system.
41 lakhs.
Okay, 41. Before writing 41, can you tell me the spelling of 40?
FORTY.
F-O-R. Okay, there is no U in there. Okay. F
41 lakhs.
41 lakh. Okay.
5,000.
5,000. See, 10,000 places missing. That's why there is 0 over there. 5,000. 5,000.
625.
Very good. 625. 625.
125. Ma'am, international.
International weight.
Can I tell?
25. Children, please wait. Okay, let everyone finish. Then only we will discuss the international system.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Isha, can you say this international system? Completed? Isha?
no, ma'am, I haven't finished.
Not finished.
Ma'am,
Okay.
can I tell?
We'll wait one more minute. One more minute. Okay, Manu, can you say the answer? Manu, over? Finished?
Ma'am,
Manu, can you say this number name in international system?
4 million.
Very good. 4 million. Very good. You have to see the
4 million.
4 million. 4 million.
1
Mm.
10,100.
105 they are together. 105 they are together.
Can I help?
Ma'am, can I help?
Can I help?
No, he is going to say the answer.
Yeah.
Yes, Manu.
Am I doing?
105? 105 in which place? What? 105 in which place? Look at the place over there. Pranav, can you say? Can you help him?
Ma'am, can I say?
Pranav, can you hear me? Okay, Srihari, please help Manu. That is correct. 4 million. Very good. That's correct. Now, after 4 million.
105.
105?
1,000.
Very good. 105. Okay. 125. Okay, 625. Okay, Manu.
625.
105.
25.
105 what? Can you say? 105?
1,000.
1,000.
1,005,000.
105,000.
625. 625. 625.
625.
Ma'am, I is correct.
Okay, so that is 4,105,625. Okay, children, who got there wrong? Let me see. How many got? Abhimanyu, did you get correct answer?
Ma'am, I got correct answer.
Manu, you understood that?
I got correct answer.
Yes.
Ma'am, I got correct
Raise your hand.
Correct answer.
Ma'am, I got
Raise your hand.
Ma'am, I got correct answer.
Ma'am, I got correct
Okay,
answer.
Manu, you understood? What was the problem there?
3 digits.
3
100
digits, 3
million.
digits. Okay, in international system, from the back, from the right side to left side, we are taking 3 digits. So 4,105,000, that was in the place of 1,000. And in the last, 625. So you want to write one more number name, or you want to write the numeral for
Ma'am,
the
one
number
more.
name? Will you write the numeral?
Ma'am, one more number name.
One more number.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
More
one more
number
number.
name.
One more number I will give you,
Okay, ma'am.
and you have to write that in Indian system and international system. Okay, we will do faster.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Who is calling? Huh? Not audible. Who is calling?
Ma'am, only 5 more minutes.
Tanya.
Tanya. Yes, Tanya.
Ma'am, only 5 more minutes, ma'am.
What happened, Tanya? Tanya, I think she has some connectivity issue. She joined late.
32.
So children, from Indian system, from the back, first 3 digit, then we have to take two digits. Okay, then I will help you to write faster because we have to finish this. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000,
Finish.
10,000, then
10,000.
can you tell me in Indian system, after 10,000, which place value?
Lakh. Lakh. And 10 lakh.
10 lakh. Lakh and 10 lakh. So, Madhav, finished or no?
And can I say?
Madhav, please unmute and speak.
Oh, ma'am.
Finished?
And can I say?
Ma'am, can I say?
Okay, Ayman, please say.
Can I say?
25
Okay,
lakh.
Ayman is going to say that. Okay.
25 lakh.
25 lakh.
30,000.
25 lakh.
30,000.
30,000.
223.
Very good. 30,000. 223.
23.
123.
23.
Okay, now write in international system. Okay. Those who have completed faster, please wait. Okay, same number, 25, 30, 223. Here you have to remember, you have to take three digits. After every 3 digits, you have to keep the formas. Then you have to write ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Tell me, after 10,000, what will I write? 100,000. Okay, very good. 100,000. After 100,000? Million. Okay, million. So, okay. Over. Okay, very good. So, Brightlin, can you tell me the number name?
2,530,000.
1 minute. 530,000. 2 million.
530,000.
530,000. Very good. 530,000.
Thousand.
30,000.
And
223.
123.
223.
23.
123.
Ma'am, I got the correct answer.
Correct answer.
Yes,
Ma'am, I got the correct answer.
Ma'am, I also got the
Ma'am, I got the correct answer.
Okay, children. Okay, how many got both number names in Indian system and international system? Can you raise your hand?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Yes,
I
how many
got.
got correct answer?
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay, Felix
Ma'am, I
not
got
completed.
I got the correct answer.
Okay, so okay, children. So we have discussed what we have discussed now today. Can you say, Isha? Number
Indian
names in
system and
international
international system. Okay. So what the difference there in Indian system? Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. After 10,000 we have lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore.
In Indian system, we
Indian
take
system,
2 digits.
start from the back 3 digits,
Okay,
then
ma'am.
2 digits.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
So in
ma'am.
international system, what is the difference? After ones, tens,
Tens,
100,
100.
1,000, 10,000. After 10,000, we have 100,000. Okay, 100,000, then million.
Million.
10 million, 100 million. Okay.
4
Okay.
million.
So how here we are keeping the commas after every three digits from the back side. We will start from the back side. Okay. So I will give you 2 numbers in the WhatsApp. You have to write number homework. I will give
Ma'am,
you
in the
WhatsApp.
notebook.
Okay.
Ma'am, in the
we will
notebook.
do. Not in notebook. I will give you later. Okay, children.
Okay, ma'am.
In the rough book.
Ma'am, I have sent the photo.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have sent the
With you,
photo.
I will ask in the next class. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
We'll send the
you,
homework in
ma'am.
the 5-way group.
Thank
Okay,
you,
children?
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, 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 bye.